In this video, we are going to discuss about the Bosch refrigerator and ice maker. So if you're facing any sort of problems with it, I'm going to show you how you guys can quickly troubleshoot it. So there are a few of the things that you can do in any sort of issues that you are facing with the Bosch refrigerator. So number one thing is check the power supply and settings. So by opening up the manual, you will be able to see how you guys can check the power supply and settings. So ensure the ice maker is turned on and the refrigerator is properly plugged in and the switch is turned on and the electricity supply is going into the refrigerator. After that, inspect the water supply. Make sure there is the constant water supply to the refrigerator. If not, make sure it is done. And after that, replace the water filter. Sometimes, due to the blockage in the water filter, a clogged filter can impede water flow. Replace it if it's been over 6 months. Verify freezer temperature. Set the freezer between 0 Fahrenheit to 5 Fahrenheit, which is approximately minus 18 Celsius to minus 15 Celsius, and for optimized production. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.